going on YouTube? Dave here from the Das Lamps YouTube channel. Excited to announce that I am working with Cover Auto today to do some seat cover reviews and install. So stay tuned and let's get this install done. Trust me, it's going to be easy. So a couple of notes that we need to address after I did the install. Just take note, when you're doing this install, there is a driver side and a passenger side seat cover. Driver side does have a cutout for that. And also keep in mind the headrests, the front ones, the front cut is a little bit higher than the back. The back's cut sits lower, that way it fits the contour of that. The rears are going to be the same length on the front and the back. So other than that, everything else is pretty straightforward. For the first part of the installation, you're going to need 3 of these discs and 3 hooks. So these guys right here, you're going to want to feed them all the way through until it's in the center like that. After you've gotten the first hook on, we're going to go ahead and install the rest. We're now inside the Jeep. I'm going to grab the top portion that's going to go right here. At the top, there's Velcro. So you can actually open this up. It's easy as that. Let's get to the next step. So now we're going to take the bottom portion and these 3 discs that we had installed earlier, right here, we're going to take these discs and we're going to slide them between the seats and pull them out from the back. There you go. You can see them there. So underneath here, you got your strap, your hooks from the front of the seat, and this is the bar that slides your seat forward and back. Make sure you go on top of that, and we're going to take these hooks and we're going to go all the way back to these springs back here. Now the last thing that needs to be done is put the cover on the top of your seat rest. So we're going to take our cover, get that pulled down, and just tuck your seams. Now installing these rear seat covers, we're going to need 3 of our discs, and they only go on the 60% fold down side. And unlike the front that these straps went on the seat portion, these ones are actually going to go on the backrest portion. There you go. Let's get these into the Jeep. So we're going to start with the seat portion this time. Underneath here, we want to undo these buckles, okay? Now when we put this on, when we feed this underneath, there's these side straps. We want to feed them through those side straps and then buckle them together like that. Same thing with this side. There's a side strap. We're going to feed it through that side strap and then buckle. That's what's going to pull the sides of the seat down. All right? So let's go ahead and get this apart. So just like the other side, we have a strap, but this one only has a single strap. So when we feed it through underneath the seat, we are actually going to feed it through both side straps and then buckle it. So it's going to look like that underneath the seat, okay? Okay, to install the backs of these seats, they're going to be very similar to the front. There's a Velcro that you can undo the Velcro. That way it'll fit over the headrest here. I did forget one thing here. There is a center seat belt in this vehicle. So we're going to pull that center seat belt out, and there is a slit opening in the back of this seat, in the back of the seat cover. So we're just going to pull it all the way through. That way we still have a working seat belt for the center seat. Just like the fronts, we have these discs. We're going to feed them between the seat and pull them out the other side so they're anchored in. All right, here we are on the back side of the Jeep here. Down at the bottom you can see our round discs that have been pulled through. Okay, we are going to pull all of this tightly down. We got our straps for the head that go over the back of the seat. Our openings here, our Velcro is pulled down. We still have access to the lever to fold down the seat. In the center here, there's a zipper. You're going to run that zipper together. You can tuck the zipper tab in between so it doesn't dangle down if you want to. Then underneath, there's Velcro. Now to install our last panel here, there is a zipper that you can unzip to allow it to have a little bit more room to fit. We got the Velcro over the top to fit over the headrest. So now we just put on the headrest covers. It does have an opening if your Jeep has the center headrest here, which mine does not, but it does have the openings for that center headrest and a cover for that headrest if you do happen to have that, okay? And we can't forget the last piece here, our cover for our center console. So overall, the install was really simple. The fitment is great, and the touch of the fabric is, well, the material. It's not fabric. It's kind of like the faux leather, like a vinyl. The fitment is really nice. Even installing it today is about 15 degrees out right now, and the install went pretty well. I'd expect that in warmer weather, things are going to settle in a little bit more because everything is just pretty rigid right now with how cold it is. But even so, I mean, the install looks really nice. The material feels good. If you guys follow my channel, you guys know that I got twins and a couple of dogs. This is like super exciting for us to have because we've been really concerned about the damage to the leather seats and everything like this, and some seat covers. Cover Auto, you guys really came through with this, and definitely I would recommend getting this if you guys are looking for something for your Jeep. This set is specifically made for the Jeep Wrangler JK. Covers the Wranglers from I believe 2008 to mid 2018. So if you have a Wrangler JK, specifically for what we have here is a JKU, they do make one specific for your vehicle. Cover Auto does make car seat covers for many cars out there, and they do have a lot of universal fit ones too. If they don't have one specifically for your vehicle, they will have something that will fit your vehicle. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully my video today was helpful for you guys, and you know, hopefully you enjoy them if you end up picking these things up. I'm gonna love these. Thanks.